guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to be doing kind of like a DIY. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be doing a DIY project. In today's video we will be doing a do-it-yourself project, and we will be redoing a table that was left here by the previous owner. It's just a small round table with three chairs. They're all kind of bar height, and yeah, I mean, they're really bad. They're in bad shape because they've been out in the sun, but we were going to do kind of like a farmhouse style. If you like DIYs, please keep watching. Subscribe, like, and drop a comment down below and let us know what you'd like to see next.
So as you can tell, the chairs are in pretty bad shape. My mom already sanded down this one, and Donna is painting it. Hi. Now I'm gonna go show you guys the table. It's a table. Now when we would sit down here, we don't usually sit down, but when me and my little sister would come, we would get splinters. Now that's the top. Doing, as you can tell from this, is we're going to be painting the legs white, all of the legs, like to all the chairs, white, and then we're going to varnish the seating part and the back part. But like the legs, and I'm pretty sure this part, are going to be varnished.
Coat. We need to do the bottom. Here's this other one. We just need to give it a second coating. We decided to do this back part white, and we're going to be doing just a wood finish on the top. But yeah. This back here, look. Oh, I seriously am obsessed with how this stayed. Like, it looks like a brand new, it looks like brand new table and chairs. I am so happy how it stayed. It stayed so pretty. What's up, Dana? I'm so excited. Can't wait for all the barbecues and stuff. It looks so good. Check it out. See, we gave it a different finish. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. And it's not perfect. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's perfect for me and my family. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like
to our channel, and press that button.
Alright guys, bye.
Bye.